Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1939 Ford Pickup 85, available for just $7,000 in Canby, Oregon. This vintage beauty features an original flathead V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, making it a true gem for any classic car enthusiast. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles, this truck is mostly original and still retains its 6-volt positive ground system. While it does have some rust and will require some restoration work, the potential for bringing this classic back to life is immense. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1965 Ford Mustang V8 available for just $9,500. Located in Woodland Hills, California, this iconic coupe features the original 289 V8 engine paired with an automatic C4 transmission. With only 1,234 miles on the odometer, this Mustang is a rare find. It boasts several upgrades, including centerline rims and a unique black and yellow license plate. While it needs a bit of TLC, it offers fantastic restoration potential or can be enjoyed as is, showcasing its original patina. Don't miss out on this classic piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a classic and unique piece of automotive history? This 1943 Willys MB is the perfect find. Priced at $8,500, this iconic vehicle is in excellent condition with a rebuilt engine and new paint. It features a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and a 4WD drive system, making it a solid performer. The odometer reads just 1,000 miles, and it has a clean title. The body is 70% fabricated with galvanized sheet metal, while the original frame remains intact. Whether you're a car enthusiast or seeking a restoration project, this Willys MB offers great potential. Don't miss out. Visit the link in the description for more details and to make it yours. Welcome to a classic gem. Presenting the 1957 Chevy Impala, a super rare 2-door wagon that's hard to find. Priced at just $7,900, this beauty is located in Escondido, California. With a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, it offers a nostalgic driving experience. The odometer reads only 1,000 miles, and while it's in fair condition with some rust in the usual spots, it's a complete project waiting for restoration. This car has been sitting for a while, but it holds immense potential for the right enthusiast. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, check out the link in the description. Looking for a piece of automotive history? Check out this 1960 Willys Jeep 4WD station wagon, paired with a 1959 parts vehicle, both offering incredible restoration potential. Priced at just $3,500, this classic is located in Nutrioso, Arizona. The 1960 model features a clean title, a manual transmission, and shows 19,250 miles. While the 1959 parts vehicle has 5,163 miles and retains valuable original components. Both come with the iconic 226 engines and a range of spare parts, including chrome accents, bed slats, and headliner pieces. Perfect for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding project or rare collectible, this duo showcases vintage craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Don't miss out. Visit the link in the description for full details. Welcome to a classic car enthusiast dream. Presenting the 1946 Chevy 1/2-ton pickup, a rare gem priced at just $6,500. Located in Portland, Oregon, This truck is a solid original piece that has spent its life in the dry climate of Eastern Oregon. With a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, it boasts an odometer reading of 64,813 miles. This vehicle is not just a truck, it's a fantastic restoration project or a canvas for your custom hot rod vision. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description. Looking for a vintage classic with true restoration potential? Check out this 1953 Henry J, a rare gem ready for a new chapter in its history. Priced at $2,750, this coupe is a budget-friendly entry into the world of collector cars. Located in Strathmore, California, it features its original drivetrain, manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine. With 56,000 miles on the odometer, its condition is good, though it has some broken glass. Don't worry, extra glass is included. The green paint adds a nostalgic touch, and despite some rough edges, the car has no rust and has always been garaged. While the title is missing, this Henry J could be your canvas for a stunning restoration or a standout project car rooted in 1950s automotive history. Learn more and see photos at the link in the description. Welcome to this classic car showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1953 Ford Custom Line sedan available for just $7,900, located in Columbia, Tennessee. This vintage beauty features a powerful 239 V8 engine and a smooth 3-speed manual transmission, making it a joy to drive. With only 39,278 miles on the odometer, believed to be original, this car is in good condition and ready for the road. The exterior boasts original patina, adding to its charm and historical value. Whether you're looking to drive it as is or restore it to perfection, this Ford Custom Line is a fantastic opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1955 Mercury Montclair available for just $6,000, located in beautiful Navajo Dam, New Mexico. This vintage beauty features a robust 8-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, making it a true classic driving experience. With an odometer reading of 10 million miles, this car is in fair condition and holds a clean title. It has great restoration potential for enthusiasts looking to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a remarkable find, a 1955 Willys Jeep, available for just $1,995. This vintage vehicle is located in Bradenton, Florida, and is a true gem for any car enthusiast or collector. With its 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this Jeep offers a unique driving experience. Although it currently needs some TLC and does not run, it presents an excellent restoration opportunity. The odometer reads just 99 miles, and it features a striking red paint color. This Willys Jeep is not just a car, it's a piece of history waiting to be revived. For more details, be sure to check out the link in the description. Step back in time with this vintage gem, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, a true classic in the world of automobiles. Listed at $7,500 and located in Selma, California, this car offers an incredible opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. With its original paint and timeless design, this Bel Air captures the essence of 1950s American automotive heritage. While it currently lacks an engine and transmission, its manual setup and odometer reading of 12,345 make it a fantastic canvas for customization. The title status is missing, but it's sold with a bill of sale. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history. For more details, visit the link provided in the description and let your imagination run wild. Welcome to a classic gem from 1955, the Oldsmobile Super 88. Priced at just $3,200, this two-door hardtop is located in Due West, South Carolina. With its powerful 324 rocket V8 engine and automatic transmission, this car is a fantastic find for any classic car enthusiast. Although it's in salvage condition and has been sitting since 1968, it boasts 99% of its hard-to-find chrome trim moldings. The odometer reads 70,000 miles, and while the body shows signs of rust, the interior has valuable parts for restoration. If you're looking to restore a hardtop, this car has the seats and trim you need. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Introducing the stunning 1956 Dodge D100, a true classic truck that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Priced at just $10,000, this beauty comes in a vibrant purple finish that stands out on the road. Located in Wrightwood, California, this truck features a rebuilt 360 V8 engine and a 727 automatic transmission, making it a reliable ride with plenty of power. The odometer shows only 5,000 miles, so there's plenty of life left in this vintage gem. Other features include a rebuilt 70s rear end, Volare front suspension, and brand new battery. Plus, it comes with 2 sets of wheels and tires, giving you options for customization. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or looking for a standout addition to your collection, this 1956 Dodge D100 is the perfect choice. Visit the link in the description for more details and to schedule a viewing before it's gone. Presenting a 1956 Nash Metropolitan, priced at $8,000, located in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. This classic vehicle comes with a blue exterior and is in good condition with just 6,192 miles on the odometer. Powered by a manual transmission and running on gas, it has undergone several mechanical restorations, including engine tune-up, carb rebuild, fuel pump repairs, and much more. The car is equipped with a newly installed original Nash radio, new wiring harness, and 5 white wall tires. With a clean title, it's a perfect piece for any classic car enthusiast or collector. The restoration work done makes this a great candidate for further personalization or to keep it as a vintage gem. Don't miss out on this rare find. Visit the link in the description for more details and to get in touch with the seller. Welcome to a classic gem from 1962, the American Rambler. Priced at just $4,500, this vintage wagon is located in the charming city of Garden Grove, California. With a robust 6-cylinder engine and smooth automatic transmission, it offers a delightful driving experience. The odometer reads only 42,700 miles, showcasing its potential for restoration. While the car has some rust, it's in fair condition for its age, making it a great project for enthusiasts. Recent upgrades include new brakes, shocks, tires, and a fresh tune-up, ensuring everything works perfectly. This Rambler is not just a car, it's a piece of history waiting for the right owner. For more details and to see this classic beauty, visit the link in the description. Welcome to the classic car enthusiast stream. Presenting the stunning 1962 Impala, a true icon of American automotive history. Priced at just $7,000, this beauty is located in Round Rock, Texas. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine from a 1990 Chevy truck and an automatic transmission, this sedan offers both performance and comfort. The odometer reads 100,000 miles, and it comes with a clean title, making it a fantastic find for collectors or anyone looking to restore a classic. The Impala's sleek design and historical significance make it a standout choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more details, visit the link in the description. Are you ready to own a piece of classic American automotive history? This 1962 Chevrolet C20 Dually could be your next gem. Priced at $9,500 and located in Wimberley, Texas, this truck features a rebuilt 350 engine and manual transmission for a smooth vintage ride. With only 67,890 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives well. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, brakes, spark plugs, and a rust-free body. The custom paint gives it a unique touch, and the clean title ensures a hassle-free purchase. This rare find is perfect for restoration enthusiasts or anyone looking for a distinctive classic. Don't miss the opportunity. Visit the provided link for more details and make this classic yours. Experience the charm of a bygone era with this 1964 Ford Thunderbird, a true classic priced at just $4,500. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, this unmolested gem is ready to be restored to its former glory. Featuring a robust 390 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a remarkable 170,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe exudes character. The interior, in solid shape for its age, complements the sleek white exterior. With factory air conditioning, power windows, and all original chrome and trim intact, it's an excellent candidate for restoration and a proud addition to any collector's garage. Don't miss out on this piece of automotive history. Visit the provided link in the description for more details. Welcome to the Classic Car Showcase. Today, we have a stunning 1965 Ford Mustang available for just $6,500, located in the charming town of Shaniko, Oregon. This iconic coupe is in excellent condition, featuring a powerful 289 V8 engine with 8 cylinders, paired with an automatic transmission. With only 70,000 miles on the odometer, this Mustang is a rare find, boasting a rust-free body and a clean title. It's perfect for restoration or a restomod project, as it comes with all original parts. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more details, visit the link in the description.